Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add background music in Murf AI step by step. So if you want your AI voiceovers to sound more professional, engaging, and polished for YouTube videos, podcasts, presentations, or social media content, yeah, adding background music can make a huge difference. First, open Murf AI in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, open the Voiceover project where you want to add music. Now make sure your narration or AI voiceover is already generated before adding any background audio, so it's usually easier to balance music after the main voice is finished. You can now use the finished audio in YouTube videos, podcasts, presentations, ads, reels, or social media projects much more professionally. And that's basically how to add background music in Murf AI from start to finish. After a little practice, your AI voiceovers will sound much more polished, cinematic, and engaging.